What does the break statement do inside a loop? Many beginners confuse it with continue, but break does something far more decisive. Break immediately terminates the entire loop. When Python hits break, it exits the loop right away, regardless of the loop condition. Any code after the break statement inside the loop body never executes. The program jumps to the first line after the loop. In this example, once we find 5, break triggers. The print statement after break never runs, and the loop ends immediately. Break is often confused with continue, but they're completely different. Continue skips the rest of the current iteration and moves to the next one. The loop keeps running. Break exits the loop entirely. No more iterations happen. When you break, you're done with the loop. When you continue, you're just skipping ahead to the next cycle. In nested loops, break only exits the innermost loop where it appears. The outer loop continues normally. Here, when the inner loop hits break, only that inner loop stops. The outer loop keeps iterating. If you need to exit multiple loops, you'll need a different strategy like using flags or exceptions. Break shines when you're searching for something and want to stop as soon as you find it. Once we find the target user, there's no point continuing the loop. Break gives us an early exit, saving time and making code more efficient. It's perfect for search operations, error detection, or any time you want to bail out early. Remember, break exits the loop entirely, ignoring all remaining iterations and any code after it in the loop body. Use it when you need a clean, immediate exit. Master this, and you'll write cleaner, more efficient Python code. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.